Ingliste is a small village in Rapla country in Kehtna parish. About 180 people live there. A beautiful Keila river flows through the village and large manor complex with a long history is located here. Ingliste has its own library and kindergarten. In addition, there are several companies in the village providing employment for the locals. The largest companies include a farm and a chemical brokerage company. In 2005, a group of community activists came together to organize village life and events. The group gathers at the beginning of each year in order to discuss the annual plan and event calendar for the coming year. There are now about 8 regular events that take place every year. Some events in Ingliste are smaller, only for the locals, but there are also events that are well known throughout Estonia.
Kui rääkida üldse advendikohvikust, siis see meil toimub juba 13. korda.
Before each Christmas, an Advent Cafe is held in Ingliste. The first Advent Cafe took place in 2005. In 2011, a new tradition was born. A black pudding festival happened at the Advent Cafe, honoring the famous Estonian Christmas dishes. The Black Pudding Festival encourages skilled home cooks to show off their best Christmas dishes to the others. Blind tasting of these dishes is carried out and the best cooks are announced and rewarded. The categories vary slightly each year, but the traditional Christmas dishes and Christmas drinks are always included. Local dancers and singers make the event very joyous and merry.
Palun tulge veel korra siia. Anu, Sairi, Marta, Keit, tulge. Nii, palun, suur aitäh.
In the spring of 2018, a book dedicated to the history of Ingliste village was published called Ingliste sõnas ja pildis, or Ingliste in words and pictures. The book provides a journey through the history of Ingliste, giving an overview of the village, its culture, school history, commerce, village councils, Soviet period and its vibrant social life, and a number of other topics. The book is co-authored by 8 writers, and the villagers helped by sharing their memories, old documents and photos. The book launch event was very successful, with the people coming from near and afar. The Republic of Estonia celebrates its 100th anniversary this year, and the book about Ingliste was our village's gift to Estonia on this very special occasion.
Kes siis viimasena püsti jääb, selle meeskond on võitjad.
Ingliste village has often participated at the sports day of the villages of Kehtna parish. In 2017, the sport day took place in Ingliste village and participants had the chance to compete in various entertaining sports activities. Our traditional sports is Ingliste rafting race, where the team navigates on the river and swaps the raft in the middle of the race with the opponents. The competition is always very funny and offers a spectacle to the viewers, since most rafts, swamp and competitions get soaked.
Elagu Kehtna vallavanem! Hurraa!
In 2007, the first Tory Horse in Rapla Country horse show took place at the Ingliste Manor Park and the stadium. The aim of the event was to showcase the local Tory horse breed, which was near extinction just a while ago. The event is well known all over Estonia. The day begins with the magnificent horse parade alongside the river. During the day, horses are presented and their abilities displayed, and the horses compete in different tasks.
Kurmur on oma tõeliselt oma nime väärt. Tema isiklik sarm ja vaadake see blond tag.
At the end of the day, the favorite horse of the audience is elected.
Ja nüüd, vaadates rapsaniku pilku, suundub rapsu
In 2018, this event was already organized for the 7th time, and the popular family event ended with a successful children's foam party.